It's an exciting time to be at Poly. We have seen unprecedented growth in undergraduate and graduate enrollment, both in terms of the numbers and the high-quality caliber of students we have been able to attract. We're about to see a more entrepreneurial and creative Metro Tech with new companies, and you've seen over 7,000 new residents in those towers that surround us. We're enjoying new faculty collaborations with our colleagues at New York University. There are a multitude of projects underway taking us between Brooklyn across to Washington Square and to the Dental and Medical Center. We're in the midst of identifying and recruiting new faculty into our ranks. We're at the heart of NYU's new campus in Abu Dhabi, and talk of expansion and growth both for NYU and NYU Poly campuses abounds in many ways. If you made it to the town hall meeting on Wednesday, April 28th, you heard firsthand about Project 2010, the first installment in our I2E campus transformation. Our plan to significantly redesign and enhance areas of our campus as the physical embodiment of our innovation, invention, and entrepreneurship at every turn and every corner. When we set out on this process of campus transformation, from the outset, we agreed to be guided by the following principles in creating a sound capital plan for the future of NYU Poly. First, our campus will embody and foster the core of I2D principles, especially creativity, collaboration, and cutting-edge research. Second, we'll demonstrate leadership in energy and environmental design using the best practices in high-performance building and sustainability. Third, our decisions are inclusive and responsive to the vision, needs, and desires of you, faculty, administrators, staff, and students. Four, you'll know what's going on at each stage, from idea generation, decision-making, governance, financing, and implementation. Fifth, our projects will not be isolated efforts, but represent an integrated systems approach that is resilient and flexible and responds to multiple inputs. And finally, the results are award-winning designs that reflect excellence in architecture, urbanism, and campus life. And with Project 2010, we have a winning strategy for our first move. I2D campus transformation is led by you, our community of faculty, staff, students, and trustees. The steering committee issued a challenge to select a special project that would indicate a change is taking place and have a quick and positive impact on our campus, create an opportunity to promote our I2D philosophy, respond to being a more sustainable campus, and lend itself to future fundraising opportunities. And to achieve this within a short-term design and construction process to be completed by September 2010 with less than $2 million in expenditures, and do it without interfering with the longer-term 10-year capital plan which we're still building. The Space Planning Committee, led by Phyllis Frankel, convened a special project group chaired by Barbara Hall to rapidly issue a response, and they did, the revamping of the cafeteria in the Rogers Hall and Jacobs Corridor. As you can see from the presentation by Grimshaw Architects, the renowned and award-winning architectural firm we have retained, we are well on our way to realizing our vision. So please take a moment to learn more about Project 2010. You are essential in designing the new NYU Poly.